Hi fans, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm running an experiment using two DC motors. I'm using a 12V DC motor as my primary driver to spin a second, smaller 4V motor. I have coupled their rotors together using a belt drive. When the first motor spins the second one, acting as a generator, it produces a very low voltage, barely enough to power anything. My goal is to boost this output so I can power two 12V LEDs connected in parallel to step up this voltage and stabilize it. I built a circuit using a bridge rectifier and a 50V 2200 microfarads capacitor. The bridge rectifier is essential because it ensures the current flows in a single direction, giving our output a fixed polarity. So I linked the positive and negative terminals of the rectifier to the corresponding terminals on the capacitor. Then I connected the output of the generator motor to the AC terminals of the rectifier. Just like I said earlier, the reason is to give polarity to our output. Before we go further, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and turn on notifications to get notified for more videos like this. Now, when I engage the drive motor, the rectifier directs that small voltage into the capacitor. Because the input is low, the capacitor charges up gradually. When I checked it with my multimeter, the voltage hadn't reached a full 12 volts yet, but it had stored enough energy to trigger the 12 volts LEDs. But it won't be as bright as when connected to a full 12 volts power source. So I decided to connect the 12 volts LEDs to the capacitor positive and negative terminals. First, I connected the 12 volts LEDs in parallel. Then I connected the final output terminals to the capacity using a single negative and positive 0.5 millimeters wire. When I turned on the generator again, the LEDs lit up softly. But while they weren't at full brightness initially, they grew brighter as the capacitor continued to charge. As you can see, friends, the LEDs are getting more brighter as the capacitor charges them more. This shows how important capacitors can be in any circuit. This capacitor was able to help us achieve our aim with this circuit. Please, if there's a better way you think this can be improved, don't forget to drop it on the comment section below this video. And please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button now and like this video. So friends, I went ahead to add a cordless DC motor to our capacitor output terminals, but it shut off the LEDs. This is because the voltage contained in the capacitor is not enough to handle both loads. Here is an interesting thing to note. When I shut off the generator, the LEDs don't turn off immediately. This is because of the energy stored in the capacitor. It takes time for that charge to dissipate. The rectifier also acts as a gate, preventing the charge from flowing back into the motor. I'm looking forward to refining this setup in my next project. Let me know your thoughts and where you're watching from in the comment. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't leave without subscribing to my channel. It doesn't cost anything. It encourages me to do more. Thank you, and see you on my next video.